Hi, welcome to this lecture, Dictionaries in Python. So what are dictionaries? Dictionaries store data in key value pairs. Let's take a look how you can create a dictionary. This is really very simple. Create a variable student equals, using curly braces, name, this is the key, then provide a colon. Then provide a value, say Alice, provide a comma. Here we are providing another key which is age and we are providing value 20. Next, how you can access or modify them. Let's print the student name. How? Print student using square bracket, provide the key name. Next, you can modify it. How? Student, again, using square bracket, age equals 21. Next, let's take a look at few common methods of dictionaries. Dot keys to get all the keys. Dot values for all the values. Dot items for key value pairs. And there are more. Get, update. Let's take a look at a complete dictionary example. So for key value in student dot items, print key comma value. Let's execute it. That's it. Alright. So see you in our next lecture where we are going to combine these data structures. See you there.